At mga Londi, panoorin natin itong nag-iinuman na may kasamang gandahan. Talaga namang ang sarap kumanta pag nakainom. Let's go mga idol. Oh! Ba't may umiyak si nanay? Intro lang pala yun. Tingnan natin mga idol. Tingnan natin kung mapapawaw ba tayo dito sa boses ni Kuya. Oh my God. Galing.
There's no other hope that I can live for.
Wow.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely take my arms and
Mapait ata yung nainom ni Kuya. Mapait pa Kuya.
show the way to leave inside your heart. All my days, all my life, you are my life. Your love,
Ngit si nanay, oh.
all the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life.
Hindi. May usok lang.
I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love. Fall through my life. Lead me, Lord.
Tago sa puso ang kantang ito mga idol. Mukhang pumanaw na ata.
Even though
May pumanaw ata dyan ah.
I'm going on my way, let me take the right direction. Take your road.
Oh.
Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life, you are my life.
Oh.
You're the lamp on my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. And I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love. Fall through my life. You are my life. You're the life of my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there.
Grabe.
You are my life. And I just cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love. All through my life, all through my days, so lead me,
Oh. Grabe naman boses ni Kuya.
Kaya po yung mama.
Ang lupit.
Lead me, Lord.
Grabe. Ang lupit mo, Idol Allen. Nako. Grabe na payak si ate mga idol. Mukhang nga naalala niya ang yumawang atang kapitbahay nila. Grabe, ang ganda ng boses ni Kuya mga idol. At grabe. Don't forget, pakipollow po ang Facebook page ni Allen de las Alas mga idol. Grabe. Napakalupit nga ang boses ni Kuya. No? Ika nga, lead me Lord. So kayo mga idol, ano masasabi niyo sa performance at ang rendition ni Kuya? Talagang na-amaze ba kayo at na-appreciate nyo ba ang kanyang performance? Please comment down below mga idol para ating pag-usapan. Maraming salamat.